Hello everyone, I'm here again with Ms. Eton. We're going to go through the procedures and directions for you to complete your 2020-2021 FFA rosters and your chapter fees. The good thing is the procedure is exactly the same as last year. Nothing has changed, but we wanted to go through this with you and refresh it in case you needed a quick look at it again. So the first thing I would tell you to do is to go to our state FFA website here at laffa.org. You're going to click on association. You're going to scroll down and click on membership. Once you get to membership, you're going to use these two boxes, FFA rosters and chapter fees. The first thing I would show you is the chapter fee form, because this is also due by November 1st. If you click on the form, it'll bring up the fee form. Again, it says in big red letters, due November 1st. You have to have your membership roster submitted. Your chapter foundation fee forms have to be submitted. And the dues have to be postmarked to our office by November 1st. So this is what you'll fill out in order to complete your chapter fee form. Remember, it's $30 for a blue chapter, $30 for a gold chapter, $25 for the foundation fee. You'll be assessed a $100 late fee if you have no roster or late dues, and a $100 late fee if you have no chapter foundation fee. So make sure you get those postmarked to us by November 1st. So if we go back to the membership tab, if you need instructions on how to complete your roster, if you click on this document, renewing and adding members to your roster and printing invoices, it's the same one that we had for you last year. This is a step-by-step document that'll lead you through the whole roster system from start to finish. So I would print this off and follow it step-by-step to get your rosters done. Now, to actually complete your roster, you're going to have to go to the National FFA site. So we'll go over here to FFA.org. You're going to go up to Dashboard, click on Teachers Advisors. And once it opens, you're going to click on Manage Roster. If you're not yet logged in, it's going to prompt you to do that. So you'll enter your information and log on to the system. Now, whenever yours pops up, since you're a chapter advisor, your chapter should already auto-populate. Since I've got a staff login, it's showing me everyone, but I'm going to go ahead like usual and go to Springfield. And so if you're the Springfield teacher, this is what will come up, and Ms. Eton will explain the procedure from here.
Okay, first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you transfer the members from last year who are going to be members this year. So what you'll do is you'll go back to the membership year and change it to 2019-2020. Click search. It'll pull up last year's roster, and you'll just go through, and on the left side by their membership number, there's a box. You just click on and put a check beside the ones that you're renewing again for this year. And you'll do this page by page. You can't do all of them at once. You have to do them by page. So whenever you get the first page done, you scroll down to your actions box, and you want to go to the renew membership. You want to make sure that your membership year is reading 2020 to 2021, and that your membership type is 1 year. Then you just click the words renew memberships. FFA will ask you if you're okay with it. You click OK. You'll get a green bar across the top if everything is correct. If you have something that's missing from one of your memberships, it'll give you a red bar or a yellow bar, and you just make sure that you take care of whatever it tells you to take care of, and submit again, and it'll give you the green bar. You do this for each page of your roster.
So again, this one had 3 pages. You'll do the first page, renew, go to the second page, renew, then go to the third page and renew. So that takes care of renewal. Ms. Eton, what if we're adding members for the first time?
Okay, if you're adding members for the first time, you click on that left side, it says add memberships. You click add membership, you go down to where it says add membership, make sure that your year is correct, state, your chapter, and your membership type are correct. They're going to be 1 year. Then you go down to personal information. You put in the first name, middle name if you have it, last name of the new student, and you want to put a phone number in. You can put the phone number of your school in either mobile or home. Once you do that, go down, you'll see mailing address. You want to fill that in completely. And then you'll go down to additional information, and all 6 of those boxes have to be answered in order for you to be able to move forward. You want to put your graduation year, the month that normally your school graduates their students, their current grade level, their gender, race, ethnicity, and location. Then you click the add button. If you get a green bar across the top, that means you've done it correctly. Woohoo! Then you can move on. You want to put in your next member, and you want to add all of your members, doing exactly what you did before. Click add, get your green bar until you've gotten all of the students in that you are adding at this time.
And this is only if they have never been an FFA member.
Correct.
If they have been on a roster before, especially if they're transferring to your school from a middle school, make sure that you renew their membership. Don't add, because if you add them twice, they're going to have 2 FFA numbers, and that's going to throw them off later on down the line for award applications.
Correct. Now, and if you can't renew them because you can't access the previous school, you need to let us know at the state office, and we will do it for you. Okay, once you get all of your members in, you click on that left side, it says register added membership. You just verify that all of them are correct. You put a check in the box to the left, and you go down and click on register added memberships. And then once you do that, you get it'll ask you if you make sure you want to do it, click OK. And then click register added memberships. And green bar, they should be on your roster. Now you can check it by clicking on manage memberships and looking to see who's on your roster for the current year.
You'll have to add in the current year. It'll probably still be showing your previous year.
There you go. Once you do that, then you're ready to print your batch or your invoice. Oh, sorry, I missed a step. First thing you want to do, you want to submit membership to state. So you want to click all the you want to highlight all of them. You can do that where it says FFA ID. You click that box to the left of that, and it'll check off all of your members. Press submit membership to state in your actions box. It'll say OK. You click OK. And green bar across the top always tells you if it's correct. Where it says status, it'll say state. Once it says state, you're good to print your batch. So you click on manage batches to the left-hand side. Look to see, you should have a batch.
This is still showing all the state batches, so let me pull Springfield up again.
Yeah, you want to click your batch ID. It should only be the one. You want to you can verify it by clicking on that batch to make sure that they're all there. Then you go back where it says batch ID. You want to click to the right. You'll see a print membership batch detail. Click on that. And in the corner, it'll download your batch or your invoice. That's what you'll give to your bookkeeper for her to cut a check. Now make sure you tell her that she doesn't send the check to National FFA. It says remit payment to the Louisiana FFA at Parker Coliseum. We get the national dues in with your state dues, and we submit your national dues for you. So that was all that you have to do your membership.
Now, Ms. Eton, if you're an affiliated chapter, what do you do?
Put in all your members, I think what we're gonna do this year, we're going to do your national dues. We're gonna invoice you for national dues. And in the spring, you'll get an invoice from the association for your state dues. If you're a new affiliate, you just put your membership in and I take care of all of that in the spring for you. I'll send you a bill for both national and state. But if you're an existing affiliate, you can actually, if you want to do your batch yourself, if you want to go ahead and send in your national dues to us, that you can do that, but I will also invoice affiliated chapters.
So as always, if you have any questions, make sure you email or call us. Ms. Eton and I are in the office pretty much every day now. We're here to help you. Hopefully you're all having good starts to your school years, and we will talk to you down the road.